For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News9 Digital and I'm Deepak. Well, it has been quite some time since you went out on a road trip or even took out your vehicles outside the vicinity of your residence. Well, although the government has given a green signal for people to use public transport, the comfort and satisfaction lies in our own vehicles. So, if you are planning to take your vehicles out, make sure that your vehicles are in the top hygienic order. And if it is not, well, you don't have to worry because I will give you 5 tips so that you can maintain the hygiene and also the cleanliness of your vehicles. So let's get going. Well, in order to ensure that your car is clean and hygienic, you will need a few items. So what are those items? Well, you will need a bucket filled with soap water. Along with the bucket, you will need 2 pieces of cloth and also an alcohol-based disinfectant. So if you guys don't know how to make use of these items, well, I will show you right now. Well, the first area of concern is your car's door handles because this is the first thing that you will touch in order to get inside your car. So you might be wondering how you can keep your car's door handles clean and also germ-free. Well, I have 2 steps for that. The first step is make sure a cloth is dipped with soap and water and rinse it properly, and then use the same cloth to wipe your door handle. Well, your duty doesn't end there because you will also have to use an alcohol-based disinfectant spray and spray it on the door handle. After that, wipe it with another fresh piece of cloth. And by doing so, your car's door handles will be clean and also virus-free. Well, the second area of concern are your steering wheels because this is something that you will be constantly touching throughout your drive. So make sure that your steering wheels are clean and hygienic. So how do you do that? Well, make sure you have a disinfectant spray and a piece of cloth. Spray the disinfectant on the piece of cloth and wipe your steering wheel thoroughly. And by doing so, your steering wheel will be clean and ready to use. Well, the third tip is to clean and disinfect the display screens because these are the frequently touched surfaces. Whether you have to turn on your music or even switch on the AC, you will be touching this surface very frequently. So in order to keep this clean, you will need an alcohol-based disinfectant spray and a piece of cloth. So spray the disinfectant on the piece of cloth and wipe these frequently touched surfaces, be it your music player or even your AC buttons. And after doing so, you will not have to worry when you turn on your music or even switch on your AC for that matter because you would have already disinfected the display screens. Well, the fourth tip is sanitizing your seat, and for doing that you will need a disinfectant spray and a cloth like we needed on previous occasion. So spray the disinfectants on this piece of cloth and wipe the seat. By doing so, you can ensure that your seat is free of any germs which are present on it. And probably this is the right time to invest on disposable seat covers. Using disposable seat covers can help you, dispose it off after the first use. So either use disposable seat covers or you can use the disinfectant spray and a piece of cloth to ensure that your seats are sanitized. Well, so far I've showed you how to keep your car's door handles clean, your steering wheel, your display screens and also your seats, how to maintain cleanliness in all these areas. So now we have come down to the last and final point, which is the foot mat. So after you park your car at a particular place, you often go out to different localities and come back into the same car, which increases the risk of bringing germs along with you inside the car. So make sure that before you park your car in your garage, when you reach home, you wash your mats and then install it back in the car in order to maintain a good foot hygiene. Well, those are the 5 tips which will help you maintain your car's hygiene and make sure that you are safe whenever you take your car out for a drive. But most importantly, don't forget to wear your mask. So if you like all of these tips, please do drop in your comments and like, share, subscribe to News9 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Thank you for watching.